Here is your daily breakdown for the SafeMoon SWAP partners. This is for August 8th, 2022. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into this. First up here is SafeMoon. We can see that it had very little volume going on yesterday, and it closed out pretty much neutral, just slightly in the green. 2 previous days before that were in the red. As far as for today, it is showing red. It is down 2.01%, and that has $460,000 of trading volume in the last 24 hours. Moving on to PNU. PNU had 2 green days, followed up with today showing a little bit of red. It is down 11.47% in the last 24 hours. With $2,500 worth of trading volume. Then on to MFX. It's had 4 green days in a row, now showing a little bit of signs of red. It is below $1,000 in daily volume at $960, with it being up 1.79% in the last 24 hours. Moving on to Shinja. 3 days of green in a row, showing just a tad bit in the red for today. It is down 0.24% in the last 24 hours with a volume of $970. Glow V2 has had 2 green days prior, leading up till today, now showcasing it as a tad bit of red, $4,900 worth of trading volume, down 0.68% in the last 24 hours. On to Sail. Sail is showing some nice steady progressive climbs dating back to that of June 19th. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green days in a row, but a little bit of red going on for today. $330 in trading volume, down 1.31% in the last 24 hours. Evergrow Coin. It had a nice green day yesterday, including that volume candle we can see there. Very nice progressive climb up. As far as for today, though, we are seeing a decline. It is down 5.42% in the last 24 hours with a volume of $9,700. On to Affinity. Affinity's been having a bit of a climb going back up since August 2nd. We can see that it has had 2 green days the last 2 days. As far as for today, it is also in the green. This is up 2.57%. and has $1,900 worth of trading volume. On to Crypt Cards. There was a significant decline for the price here back on August 5th. We can see that there's 2 days that have led up afterwards of green, just a little bit of a red pullback, and the price here is 304063, down 2.39% in the last 24 hours with a volume of $1,900. Grove token has been in a bit of a consolidated space, pushing back. We've seen this range roughly around when it was on July 26th. Had a bit of a red day yesterday, just a tiny little bit. I should really stress that. Volume very, very low, both for yesterday and today in comparison to ranges we saw back, for example, on July 22nd, 23rd, even leading all the way up to around July 27th. It was still notably quite a bit more. However, even with that being said, of it looking so small, it's approximately $120,000 worth of trading volume. It is down 0.32% in the last 24 hours. Potherium has had 2 green days in a row, leading to today with a little bit of a drop here. It's down 0.26% compared to 24 hours ago with a volume of $580. Reflex Finance seeing a bit of a consolidated space of where it is now, dating back to that of August 2nd. We can see yesterday was a green candle with low volume. Today, more volume. However, it has pulled that down, dropping just slightly below what that green candle was prior, and is currently at $4,000 worth of trading volume, down 9.74% compared to 24 hours ago. Empire token. Seeing a bit of a climb going on since August 3rd. There was a little bit of a pullback August 4th, further continuation up. So 3 days of green, looking like it could close out today with another green candle. It has $120 worth of trading volume, so that is very, very low. And it has 1.38% increase in the last 24 hours. Moving on to Docs. Docs with even less of trading volume. This is $11 worth. It is up 13.1% from that alone. Market cap is $78,000. So it's very, very, very low. Green candle yesterday, showing a little bit further signs of green today. Moving on to Immortal. Immortal has had 2 green days in a row. Also very, very low volume for their project. It's only $130 in the last 24 hours. It is down by comparison somehow 1.13% over 24 hours ago. Rhythm has had 2 days of green after this big dropped candle, and we could see the volume was quite high there as well. And after that big red candle, so 2 days of green, looking like a third day of green for today as well. Another project with very low volume. This is $190 worth, up 0.3% in the last 24 hours. Live Crypto Party took 4 days of red, quite a bit of a hit. It had a very nice progressive climb, was looking very good, was even getting back into the range zones of its launch day, which was a hyper launch partner with that of the SafeMoon SWAP on the top wick section here. So we did get into that range. However, since then it's had quite a bit of a drop. It's pulling back below levels that were even its launch price, but we can see that it is trying to make a climb back up. It's 2 days of green on a third day of green right now, $6,200 worth of trading volume, and is up 5.55% over the last 24 hours. And last but not least is Blockbuster's token. Blockbuster's token, like Live Crypto Party, is a hyper launch partner, and it just launched the other day. So there's not a lot to really look at here yet for the daily charts, but we can see that there was a red candle as of yesterday. Today is looking quite green, getting quite close to passing above the 0.002 level. It was technically above that earlier today, but right now it is contesting to try and get above that again. $1.3 million worth of trading volume for this project. It is up 16.54% compared to 24 hours ago. The previous video I did on Blockbuster's tech was just notifying everyone that the token distribution was getting ready to be underway. That airdrop, that has since taken place. And yes, there was a sell-off once that had been initiated. We saw the price beginning to plunge quite a bit, but there were a lot of buyers that came in, and they actually helped drive the price back up. And now we're seeing that it's actually back in the green. So this suggests that there is a lot of people out in the community space that are interested in this project and curious to see what's going to happen next. This is it for our coverage on the SafeMoon SWAP partners in today's video. I want to thank my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Murad Shaker, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Oz, for being higher level patrons. You can join my Patreon for as little as $1 a month. There's a link down in the description if you guys would like to show your support there. And there's also a join button down below if you want to become a YouTube member. Thank you so much to my YouTube members. I appreciate you all so much. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. I am not a financial advisor. Please go do your own research. God bless, and we will see you in the next episode.